Hello everybody, it is Hex the Gaming here, or Tiny Bags, and welcome back to another video! Today we're going to be playing Deltarune, and you know, we're going to make a Kara character. We're going to make Kara. There goes. Boom. Kara. Boom. Let's dissect this torso. So, there is good legs. Look, this is my body, my vessel. I'm just going to speedrun this because I've already recorded this part so many times and I'm already done with it. You've created a wonderful form. Thank you very much, game. Now, let us shape its mind. Cool, as your own. As my own. There's nothing there. I'm a dumb boy. What is your favorite food? Let's pick. Oh, my favorite would be like. Your favorite? What type? Hey, that was a bit choice. Sorry. What color does it like most? Blue. No, it's like red for this one. Please give it a gift of kindness. How do you know? How do you feel about it? I feel. Well, I was gonna pick hope. Okay. No. You know, there's the possibility of agony and pain. Name your vessel. I'm just gonna name. I named Kara before because it's a reference to the Undertale. But I'm gonna name it Frisk. Actually, no. Let's name it Toby. Let's name it Toby Fox. No, Toby. Let's just name it Toby. Toby, Boby, Genobi, Bloby, my boy. Toby. Canuck. We called it Toby. We? Who are we talking we? Huh? What about the creator? I'm just gonna put my fake name or my channel name. Well, not my channel name, but I go by Hex the Gaming. Subscribe, by the way, if you already haven't, because that would mean a lot. That would mean the world to me. If you subscribe, that means that you were nice enough to subscribe to my boring ass channel. Don't get me demonetized, because I'm not even monetized. Boom. I'm so cringy. Truly excellent. Hex D. I knew you were gonna say my name again. Thank you. Boy! Thank you. Your answers. You're wonderful. You're a wonderful creation. You're a wonderful creation. Will now be discarded. No one can choose who they are in this world. Oh, okay. Your name is Chris. Spoilers! Chris! Chris, if you don't wake up, we'll be late for school. Wake up, boy. Yago. Yaga, yeet. Did he just walk out of bed? He just like stumbled along bed. He's your weird boy. I haven't explored this part. The door is locked. Why is everything locked? Alright, this is the house. What was this? Oh, it was the toilet boy. Smells bad though. Anyway. Go, Chris! Go, Chris! You can do it! Chris, it's a beautiful day today, is it not? I mean, I hope it says what student do you follow us, but I wonder after the excitement of university, will you still enjoy coming here to this little town? So that means like, oh yeah, okay, I think it's like I think you're like someone who fell down. No, this is the overworld. Oh wait, Undyne's a cop. Oh wait, Undyne's a cop. Cool. Undyne is a character in Undertale, obviously. Oh, you see this at the end of the true pass if you complete it. Oh. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. That's a mom hugging their son. Oh, welcome to class. Wait, Elvis is the teacher. Hey, man. I can tell you. Oh, Chris, we thought you weren't coming today. We're doing group projects this month. So walk around and find a partner, okay? No, we're gonna pick somebody named George. Click, click, tap, tap, taken. Alphys, you're gonna be my. I'm watching on my phone. It's schoolwork, of course, an animated schoolwork, and oh wow, is he watching Mew Mew? Hey Chris, have you chosen a partner yet? No. Oh, do I have to pick Dino Kid? Oh, he's about fighting with Snowy. Oh, Chris, whatever. You need a partner? Sorry, I'm already partners with the second smartest student. Wait, Chris, now that I think about it, your unique skill might help us a lot in this assignment. Not actually, I want to get an A. Oh wow, Snaky. Chris, you know Jack and Gay are always partners. With the ultimate academic duo ever since our first gym class. It was a hula hoop day and they ran out of hoops for us. So he used me instead. That's our origin story. Oh! That's nice. Hey Chris, what's up? Did you lose your pencil again? You want the candy cane one of them lights up? Huh, you want to be partners? Sorry. Already asked me. But I could ask Mr. Alphys if we could make a group of 3. Yes, please. Okay, I'll ask Miss Alphys. Is it okay if we have a group of 3? Hey, what? No, I don't approve of this. Abort! What? But Chris doesn't have a... No, what are you saying? She's just saying we're being final one. Actually, I just wanted to know if... Noriel, can you please speak up? Hi, Susie. Oh, Susie. Am I late? No, you're fine. We're just choosing partners for the next group project, and Susie, you're with Chris. Great. Oh, damn. Everyone's here. I'll write the assessment. That's scary. Yeah. Be careful of this. Anyone seen the chalk? It's the third of its gone missing, and you all know I can't start class without some. Oh, how about this? If no one speaks up, everyone gets in trouble. Anyone? Please? Hey, there might be a box of supply in the closet. Miss Alphys, why don't Susie and I... Good idea. No, Susie, since you came in last, why don't you get it for me? Whatever. Oh, okay. Oh. Ah. Can you go with her? No. Please. No. I'm just gonna hang out on my desk. Chris, don't listen to him. It's not that bad. You'll probably survive Susie beating you up. Oh! She's gonna fail when she doesn't see any of... Oh! It's like... You lose? Oh, that's scary. Yeah, that's reassuring. That's very reassuring. Yeah. Please no. She's small. Oh, she ate the chalk. Oh no. Chris, didn't see you there? Didn't see you there. Hey, you didn't see anything just now, did you? Can't even say. Chris? No. Susie, no. Susie, back away from me. Hey. Whoa, what are you doing? Let me tell you a secret. Oh? Oh! Why people piss me off? You think just because you don't say anything, I can't tell exactly what you're thinking? It's over, I caught you. Susie eating all the chalk. This was her last chance. Now she'll finally be expelled. Come on, Chris. Don't act shocked. You know it's true. Everyone's waiting for it. Everyone wants it. So, congrats, Chris. You got me. I'm done for. Just let me say one little thing. Seems like a waste to get expelled just for having a snag. So, Chris, if I know you're gonna pull the trigger, when I don't get expelled for some real carnage. Chris, how do you feel? Oh, about losing your face. No! No! Nah. Chris, you've got a good mother. It'd be a shame if we make her bury her children. A child. Sorry. Alright, let's get this over with. We'll get more job. Mozzie. Wait, what? Mosey back to class and then Chris. Do our project? How's that going? Don't bother answering. You haven't gotten good right now. Your choices don't matter. Let's go freak. I'm good. Oh, stop dissing me, please! My face was about to get ripped off by you. Oh, no, that's already giving me nightmares and visions. God, can you walk slower or what? No, I get it. You're not used to walking around with someone holding your hand. Come on, freak. Jeez, stop! Well, here's the closet. Too bad. We're just starting to have fun. Whoa. Hey, Chris, is it me or is it really dark in there? Oh. What's the hold up, Chris? Why are you going? Are you going in or not? No, of course I'm not going in. No, that's dark. Fine, if you're going to be a wimp, then I'll stop, Susie. We'll both go in at the same time. Fine. Oh, it's dark. See? Why are you so scared? There's nothing in here but old papers. Let's try to find a light switch. No, I'm good. Chris, if you leave me, I'll... No? What? You'll what? Fine. I'll go in with you. Jeez. That's weird. I can't find a switch. Guess it's further in. Oh no, please, no. Kind of big for a closet, huh? I think we'd have to reach the end by now. You can't force me with it's a closet! Hey, Chris. I think the closet's broken. There aren't any walls. Well, we've worked hard enough. If Alvis wants to talk so bad, she can get it herself. Let's split. Alright, let's go. It's a good idea. Oh, it closed the closet. What the? Hey, this isn't funny. Let us out. Let us. Oh no. Oh no. The fool. It's. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Where's my heart? My heart. Oh. That's me. Is that me? What's that sound? Hold up. Oh, that's cool. At times you see it flickering, the light only you can see. For second nature, you reach out and... File saved! You reach out and file saved. That's how it works. I'm only a few more minutes to record. I'll record part 2 in just a moment. What? You wanna play this game, Play this game. Oh, wait, isn't it shift to run? Yeah, you can run. Whoa, what is this? Oh, you have to go down here. Oh! Hey man, game mechanics, you can't go wrong with them. What? Oh, okay. Nope, I'm good. Nope, I'm not going down there. Who knows what could pop out? Okay, that looks eerily scary, like a face. That's very disturbing. It's whoa. Everything gets weird from this point in time. Oh! Did you just? Oh, okay, damn. Did you really have to be that us? You made embodied in the light. A power shines within you, breaking through the darkness. The pain you had melted away. HP fully restored. Oh, this is actually eerily scary. This light only eyes blinded by darkness can see the way. Cool. That's nice.